Back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Cursor AI for beginners. If you've just installed Cursor AI and don't know where to start, this guide will walk you through the basics step by step. First, open Cursor AI and sign into your account. Once you're on the main screen, click *** file * and open an existing project folder or create a new one. Cursor AI works best when you open an entire project instead of a single file because the AI can better understand your codebase. Next, create a new file or open an existing one. As you start typing, you'll notice that Cursor AI automatically suggests code completions. You can press **tab* to accept a suggestion or simply keep typing if you want to write the code yourself. One of the most useful features is the *AI chat *. Open the chat panel and ask questions in plain English. For example, you can ask the AI to explain a function, write a new feature, find bugs, or improve your code. The more specific your prompt is, the better the response will be. You can also highlight a section of code and ask Cursor AI to explain it, rewrite it, optimize it, or add comments. This is especially helpful if you're learning a new programming language or working with unfamiliar code. Don't forget to use the integrated terminal when you need to run commands, install packages, or test your project. Everything is available inside Cursor AI, so you don't have to switch between different applications. As you become more comfortable, explore the Settings menu to customize themes, keyboard shortcuts, fonts, and AI preferences. You can also install extensions if you need additional tools for your development workflow. That's it. You now know the basic features every beginner should use in Cursor AI. In the next video, I'll show you how to generate code with Cursor AI